Now, our motto, determine that value. So how can we determine? First of all, if you see very carefully, x tends to infinitive. If put infinitive, that is also infinitive minus infinity type problem. So how can do this type of problem? I know that I have already discussed. First of all, this one make if x replaced 1 by y, okay, x is equal to 1 by y. If x tends to infinitive, then what about y? Y tends to 0. So first of all, put here y tends to 0, and that is 1 by y square 1 by y under root of 1 by y square minus 1. That value limit y tends to 0, take LCM, okay. So 1 minus under root, if y is common, okay, then 1 minus y square divided by, like that one, clear or not? If rationalize y tends to 0, 1 minus under root 1 minus y square upon y square, that is 1 plus under root, okay, divided by 1 plus, so limit y tends to 0, okay, so 1 minus divided by y square 1 plus under root 1 minus y square. So we got y square are cancel out. Limit y tends to 0, 1 upon 1 plus under root 1 minus y square. If put y is equal to 0, then we got 1 upon 1 plus under root of 1 minus 0, then 1 by 2 is the right answer. If you ain't out, then comment it.